What's up, everybody? You already know what time it is. What's up, guys? Stu here. We missed the pickup video, but this week on the chopping block we have 2004 gsxr 750. I'll be rebuilding this bike. Currently it doesn't start. All right. When we first got the machine, it would crank, but it would not start. It would crank and crank and crank until it killed out the battery. You could clearly hear that the fuel pump was priming, but it would just crank and crank. So what I did was I changed out the spark plugs first. I put a brand new battery on it. From there, now we do have a leak coming from the water pump, which is fairly common on this year. And when you turn the key on, you get a weird sound, which comes from the fan on this super cool HID headlight beam that was installed. We need some oil, we need some coolant, and we need to fix the water pump leak. Other than that, we're in great shape. Goodbye. Hey guys, catch me next time. We're going to be doing the water pump gasket, putting some fluids in it, tightening her up, put a chain on it, taking it for a test drive. See you then.